So this is a little liquidation shop here in town. I've been waiting on some toolboxes, and they just called me, said they got a truck in with a bunch of tools. So I want like a 2-stack Husky box and some Milwaukee stuff, some packout and whatnot. So let's go take a look what they got. So I dug through all of these pallets that just came in. They got random stuff in there. I found some packout boxes that way, but I have a few more pallets to look at that way. I spy some more packout stuff. I'm gonna explore that here in a moment. But then yeah, more boxes that way. 2 more pallets that way. Alright, I already scored those 3. Those are all different. I've been wanting those for a while. And then I looked in here. I saw some kind of, what is that, vacuum? I gotta pull that out and see what it is. Bro, it's a backpack vacuum. Whoa, I like it. Let's see how much they want to sell it for. Maybe we'll make a package deal. Alright, so besides that stuff, I didn't find anything else over there. But in this one, I spied like one of those pack out screw down to fly surface things. And then this thing, that one has nothing. This one is like to the brim of stuff, so I'm definitely gonna dig through these. This guy, ever the salesman. So good thing that I've been digging. I've been finding a lot more Milwaukee stuff. I don't know, I have a crush on Milwaukee right now. Don't judge me, alright? Check that out, that's a socket set. I see something in here. And that's like a whole tote of little things. So I'm gonna get to that. This was up here, so I'm working my way through and I'm tossing stuff in there, getting it out. It's ridiculous, but yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Alright, so I'm a little bit limited on space, but this is what I ended up buying. And there's some stuff in here, some tools and a hoodie, and some, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna split all of this and shove it in here. Hey, check it out. Charging up the vet. Kidding. Bought a new extension cord, and it was coiled real tight, so I'm just stretching it out. Check out this mess. So at some point very soon, I'm gonna have to build out a platform in the runner and like make drawers and basically get my tools situated so I can use that thing for work. Probably gonna take out the front seat too and sort of build out a whole thing so I can slide in things, you know what I mean? And bought a bunch of pack out stuff. Trying to figure out, like, I'm digging out all my tools, laying everything out, and then seeing if I can just get everything sorted. Starting to buy hardware, consumables, got safety stuff, got, you know, foam. Gonna be doing doors, windows, trim, and all that, so sandpaper, tape, liquid nails, you got it. And then really got to figure out this tool situation. So I've seen guys do the thing where they basically have a platform across and then they have like 2 drawers and you can screw stuff to it, cover it in carpet. I was thinking it would be cool to kind of make it all the way there, take out the passenger seat, make it all the way out, so I can maybe put like 8-foot boards at least in here. Or if something's longer, I can go all the way through there, through the window that opens, you know, and out the back. Something like this. So this is gonna have to be a separate video on its own, because I have some ideas. I can make it pretty cool, and I don't mind sacrificing all these plastic panels. Either remove them and build something else, kind of utilize the most space I can, because I mean that's like 3 inches I could use for something. And same thing here. So I'm gonna take these panels off and I'm gonna see what it looks like. If it don't look too rough, then maybe I can sort of do a whole thing. I'm gonna have to put some kind of headache panel I want to call it. Something, if I slam on my brakes, nothing's going to hit me in my head. But I think I could make it pretty cool. So bought some more stuff, some sawhorses that you can, these things, what am I doing telling you about it? You make a table out of them. So those are cool. Bought some ladders, levels. Had to buy this for a job I did a few days ago. Borrowed that from my nephew. That's my mechanical stuff. This is from my trucking days. So it's all coming together into one nice, neat package here. And I have some more pack out stuff in my storage unit for a mechanical set. So I want to have a pack out kit with construction stuff, and I have a second one of those with wheels, and that's going to be my second pack out for mechanical stuff. And yeah, hopefully that'll situate all my tools. So enough talking. I'm gonna finish this and get going on the Jetta. So I more or less got everything packed away like I wanted it. Gotta head over to my storage unit and get some more tools out. In the meantime, I went and dug out my little UNAB on Amazon a little while ago. I'm gonna start using this thing. So I was just digging through this bin right here. It's kind of a junk bin, but found these from a trucking days. Gonna go ahead and blast the Jetta mirrors that I got from the junkyard, those blue ones, and some black, and just some, yeah, make them shiny. Yo, so I've been digging through some boxes I inherited from my dad when he moved. Look at this. A mouse got stuck in the middle of two blades. What? That's crazy. Are you serious? That's what I ended up with. It's probably going to be my construction back out, more or less. And then I'll build another one for mechanical stuff.